Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to set up shipping for your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go and create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with setting up shipping for our store. So what we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to go ahead and find this section right here that says shipping and pickup. So we want to open up shipping and pickup. As you can see, this is now going to open up this new menu for shipping, where we can get started with setting up shipping. We can set up local delivery and self pickup if we want to. So if you want to go ahead and get started with shipping your options and adding your options and information, you can click right here. That's going to enable you how to set up your shipping options. All the options and carriers that you have are going to be available right here, and if you don't have them, you can type in their name right here and click setup to get started with using them right here. You can change your country if you prefer. You can view all the carriers for everywhere, and basically that's how you can get started. So select all the info that you need and you can start adding it right here in your local delivery sections, shipping, and so on to get started. But basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.